We're eating ratatouille.
Yes.
Can you say that word?
Don't do this. Say it.
Ratatouille.
That sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Wait, is your head cut off?
My big forehead.
No. Are you in the frame?
Not too much. I mean, I would just.
Can you pull
No.
down? Maybe back up something like this. A little bit.
Yeah, just
good. Okay. Okay, guys. So hi. Is this my first mukbang video? I think so. I can't believe I'm doing a mukbang, and we're doing French food because I'm here in France and currently at my friend Marie's house. Or what do you want to be called?
Yeah.
What do you want to be called?
Mia, just Mia.
At my friend Mia's house. And if you have my Instagram, then you probably already know who she is. But if not, this is my friend Mia from Paris. I'm a little tired. So, anyways, I'm vamping here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just gonna say yeah.
Right? Yeah. So, tell them a little bit about yourself, Mia.
My life here or just,
you know.
Okay, so guys, I'm a personal trainer here in Paris and just living life, basically nothing too crazy for now. And yeah, so as you guys should know, I met MJ through her videos, of course, and on Instagram and Snapchat and yeah, everything. And when I heard she was coming here, I was so excited. I couldn't believe it. And I said like, I should be your guide everywhere here.
And that's exactly what she's been.
Showing her everything.
Yeah, I think we followed each other for a while, and I saw in one of your pictures that you had, I don't know how I found out you were in Paris. You either tagged Paris in one of your pictures,
yeah, for sure.
And I'm like, Paris? And then I noticed that some of her stuff was in French, some of her captions in this. And I asked her, I'm like, are you in Paris? She's like, yeah. I'm like, what? So I already knew as soon as I found out she was from Paris. I had no idea where she was from. I couldn't tell. I couldn't tell where you were from. But yeah, I knew that I was going to. I already knew I was going to come here, but I already knew that I was going to have to meet her. And that's how this relationship, friendship blossomed. Yeah. Anyways, time to get busy on this food.
So, do you want me to like explain them to them like how we eat?
Yeah.
So of course this is all vegan. Of course. And yeah, basically we just eat like in France. I think we eat a lot of meat and fish, so it was quite hard. I know all my French people know to find something vegan. Like there's like it will always be like dairy or cheese, of course.
Oh yeah.
So how to not find something without cheese? Yeah. And so basically we're eating ratatouille.
Yes.
Can you say that word?
Don't do this. Say it.
Ratatouille.
No, I'm not gonna bench myself on this. No, not today.
Okay, so we're eating ratatouille. I guess you can say with the English accent.
Yeah, ratatouille. Everything is so ugly in American English.
And yeah, so we're eating ratatouille with rice. You know how we say rice in France? Riz. Yeah. Just
really?
Like yeah. And some bread, of course. Like I think MJ just discovered real bread here.
I think I did. I'm having bread like 5 times a day. It's so funny. Everybody walks around with baguettes.
Yeah. For real.
They really do. Every other person has a baguette in their hand. It's so
That's the only like French cliche, I guess.
That is
That's
true.
Like the beret. She was like always talking about the beret. Les berets.
Oh yeah,
As you know
beret. I was planning on getting one.
Yeah, but I told her like nobody wears them. Even
they're
my
so
grandma, she doesn't wear them.
But they're so cute.
Kinda. So yeah, so rice.
Yeah, rice.
Mushrooms. Like Parisian mushrooms, we call them. And just some dish like potatoes and
like baked vegetables.
Yeah, basically.
Delicious. And we have some is this French?
I guess it is.
Chestnut butter for the bread. Yeah.
Very good.
It's delicious. I just had it for the first time and it is delicioso. So let's get started. You guys, you already know that I have my oils on. I just got out of the shower, so that's why I'm glistening and my hair is still a little bit wet. What? Oh, you caught it.
Got it.
That sounds delicious.
Yeah. You love water. Guys.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, she loves water.
I love water. I'm so annoying. We'll be walking around and I'll be like, can we just stop somewhere so I can get some water? 10 minutes later, can we stop somewhere again so I can get some more water? Can we stop somewhere? I love water.
Should we be doing like very weird noise?
No.
like this. Guys. That's disgusting. Yeah.
Okay, so
Just
shall we get started or?
you're the guest.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll start with some rice maybe.
Yeah, that's a lot of rice.
Yeah. Okay.
You're eating.
Huh?
That's not enough rice.
For you?
No, for you.
Yes, it is.
Yeah?
Rice is filling. Do you want more?
Yeah. Thank you.
We went to Notre Dame.
Notre Dame.
Notre Dame.
That's very good.
And it was so pretty. But we didn't go inside because the line was so long. But it was good enough for me seeing it from the outside. Like, I'm good. It was, you know, it was satisfying just seeing it from the outside.
Maybe you should talk about the beginning of the trip. You said like today, like
Wow.
so many things happened
Oh my god. How long have I been here?
since Thursday.
Since Thursday? It feels like I've been here for like a month. Because that's how much we've accomplished.
Yeah.
Just the first day I was here. Was it the first day?
Yeah.
Yes.
We walked so much.
We walked, and I walk a lot.
Yeah.
And that was a lot for me.
Yeah.
But it's a good thing we both walk really fast.
Yeah.
We both walk really
Yeah.
fast, which is how we got so much done in one day. It was crazy.
What did we visit?
The first day we went to the Moulin Rouge.
Moulin Rouge in Pigalle.
Yeah, and then we went to the viewpoint.
Yeah.
And then the
Sacré-Cœur.
Sacré-Cœur.
Yeah.
And then we just walked around like random places that were
like
pretty.
Les Tuileries.
Yeah. I don't know what that is. And then
The park.
Sure. Oh yeah.
The
yeah.
Louvre.
Yes. Yes, that was so pretty. Yes. It's funny because I've seen so many pictures of the Louvre my whole life, and then like
Pictures that's
pictures don't do it justice. It's very pretty, and I've seen pictures. I've seen many pictures. But
she loves everything. She's very easy.
I'm very picky.
I mean, not for like landscapes and just discovering things.
I'm so picky.
Yeah? I mean, Paris is beautiful.
It is. Seriously? compared to some places, and like some cities look a hot mess. I'm like, really? Now I understand why so many people talk about this place like it's so awesome, because it is.
There's a lot of things to do. A lot.
And see.
Yeah.
And I feel like you need at least like 10 days here for a good trip. I keep dropping stuff. This water is delicious.
You know what it is? It's actually sink water.
Yeah.
But it's like in the fridge, open. So I don't know, maybe it does something. I don't know.
It's delicious.
He's one of those people that can taste water. We talked about this.
Yeah, I can taste water. Yeah, we talked about this. I can taste water, and there's water that is really nasty, and there's, y'all know what I'm talking about. And there's some water that's really, really tasty. Like Evian, I don't like that water. It tastes like hot dog water or something. Sorry, Evian, if you're watching this, which you're not, so. But like Dasani, delicious. What else? Fiji, a hot mess.
Yeah? You don't like it?
No.
I guess you're just paying for the beautiful bottle.
And Sissy Bone.
That's it.
It's a brand of water in China. That water make you slap your mama.
I mean, yeah. That's so very nasty water. I don't know why.
It's okay to drink the water here. In Asia, you can't drink the water. The faucet water.
Why?
It's contaminated.
It's not clean, like very dirty?
It's not clean, but they put a chemical in it that makes it that you can't drink it. Which they do in America too, but you still can drink it.
So weird.
Yeah. And you will get the stomach thing if you drink it.
No, please. What did we do on the first day?
So after the viewpoint and the park, and mind you, we walked all these places.
Yeah.
And then we went to that street that has the biggest Sephora in the world.
Yeah, les Champs-Élysées. That's very hard to say.
Yeah, there's no way I can say that. There's no way. By the way, I Instagram story everything every day that I travel. So if you're not following me on Instagram, then you should, because if you did, then you saw all this already.
Yeah, for sure.
And follow her on Instagram. I'll have her Instagram linked in the description box. And follow her because she's fitness goals. And she's like a personal trainer, and she teaches fitness classes in Paris like every single day. And if you're in Paris and you need a personal trainer, then slide in her DMs.
Do you want bread?
Yeah.
Because us French people, we always eat bread with the meal. I don't know why.
Oh,
like,
okay.
It would just like you.
I can subscribe to that.
Yeah. Yeah, bread like anytime, like every time, at every like moment of the day when you're eating.
That's a lot of bread.
Yeah, too much. Like bread is not that good for you.
No, but Parisian people aren't fat.
Yeah, that's so true.
Or French people.
Yeah.
So I wonder, because bread is so fattening.
Yeah, too much flour.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
But there's not a problem with obesity here.
It is, but I think it's more like, I don't know, I might be wrong, but I see it in the newest generations. Like kids, very like young kids. And yes, there's always like obesity problem. Is that how you say it? But I guess it's not as bad as other countries. Like when I go to Spain, because I'm from Spain, Barcelona. This is way too much. Like every kid.
Oh, they don't eat this much?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, they eat more?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's very bad. Like, I don't know why. I don't know. So France, I think, in my opinion, it's not too bad. Yeah. I mean,
when I'm walking around, I don't see a bunch of obese people.
no, not
Where
yeah.
in the United States, I do.
I was waiting for that one.
You guys know me. It's so true. It's not my opinion.
It's a fact.
The U.S. struggles with obesity. That's why Michelle Obama tried to change all those laws and make our kids healthier so that our generations can build up to be less obese and less so unhealthy because we're just so unhealthy and obese in America. More people are obese than not.
You know what's so weird? That like sports and fitness is so big in America, but still there's
Don't get me started.
Yeah.
And there's such a double standard because like in America, if somebody's too skinny, like it's okay to say, you're too skinny. Like that's not rude.
Yeah.
But I've had it said to me since I've lost weight all the time, like, you're too skinny. You lost too much weight. You're too skinny in America. But if you were to ever say to somebody that they were too fat,
will be the end of the
oh my gosh.
Yeah?
Oh my gosh. Like, it's almost like, it's like, why is one okay but the other one isn't? And the thing is, for years, I was overweight. For years. And nobody ever said to me, you're too big. To get?
About to get gazpacho. That's not French.
Spanish?
That's actually like tomato soup. You drink very cold. But we have it here in France. It's not very.
It's like tomato juice almost.
Yeah, and there's cucumber and garlic and oil and peppers. It's not only like tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Yeah, but the main ingredient basically is.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna have some bread and chestnut butter because I just bit my tongue. I bit my lip. Because this chestnut butter will make you slap your mama.
Yeah, it is.
Say that.
Yeah, it is.
Say that.
What?
What I just said.
It will make you slap.
No, say this chestnut butter will make you slap.
No.
Why? I think you sound so funny saying.
What's good? What's poppin'?
What's good? What's poppin'?
You said what? This I can't even say the beginning.
Say this chestnut butter.
This chestnut butter will make you slap your mama. Your mama.
Say this chestnut butter will make you slap your mother.
This chestnut butter will make you slap your mother. Mother. There's so many ways to speak American.
True. You can say mama. It's English. You can say mother. You can say mom.
Mommy.
You can say mommy. You can say mama. If you want to. It's very childish though.
Yeah.
I guess in Chinese, there's only one way to say mother. This chestnut butter is just too delicious. I'm just making sure that it's still recording. But I think in the last clip I was saying that people are always telling me when am I skinny? No. I'm not skinny.
Yeah. Is that actually so tell me the things you like the most about Paris and the thing you disliked the most.
I like the food and I like the things, like the really pretty places. I don't want to say the men. but like the men here are super. They don't leave me alone.
What did I say? Like almost the first minute you were there.
Yeah.
I was like, it's very bad in Paris.
Yeah.
And I know like girls that live in Paris, they know that it's too much. Like it's over the top.
The men, it doesn't even matter what you're wearing. Or anything. It doesn't even have to be revealing or anything like that. But the men are just so. All ages. It's like from like young to men in their 50s. But this is not to scare anybody off from coming here. It's just like quite annoying because in Asia the men aren't like this. Because the men are just very not so aggressive, if you will. So I forgot, because it is like this in America in certain areas, but I kind of forgot how it was for a while.
It's very bad here.
Yeah, and some people are just very rude. Like they won't even attempt to speak English, even though I know they know how to.
No. Yeah, you say it right a lot of times, so don't be camera shy and just say macaron.
Macaron.
Yeah. You should just say in the comments if you think that her French is good. Because I keep telling her that.
They say yes.
I keep telling her, okay, we're going to do a test. I keep telling her that she can pronounce French very good and she doesn't like trust me. So I'm gonna say a few words, very easy ones.
Okay.
I swear. Okay. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
That's not that bad, I swear. Okay, and
the camera froze for a second. But we're back. I'm super full. I'm so full. And it's 12 at nighttime right now. Hey, look, it's a picture of my subscriber drew with me. Oh my god. Anyways. It's 12 and yeah, I'm tired. So we'll probably close out this video.
Yeah.
Is there any last minute things you want to say?
I don't know, nothing special. Like just, I hope you're enjoying this video, and I hope you're enjoying like the videos from Paris.
Oh yes. If I have not already, I'll be uploading 2 more Paris videos. I've been so behind because I can't find good Wi-Fi, and then like I'm never in one place for that long. Just keep moving around so much. But anyways, they'll be up. I don't know if this was a successful mukbang. I know people like when they do it, they get so much food, but like anybody got time for that? Because who's eating that? Nobody's eating that much food. And they like stuff their faces the whole time, but I can't eat that much in one sitting. Well, I can eat a lot, but not in like one. Anyways,
You get it.
you know what I'm trying to say. If you cannot tell, I'm very tired and I have to edit this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you enjoyed the rice and the mushrooms, champignon,
yeah.
and the ratatouille, and the vegetables, and the chestnut butter, and the breads, and the macaroons that don't exist. So,
Bye.
I'm so tired.
Bye, guys.
Anyways, bye.
You wanna say au revoir?
Au revoir
to your French subscribers.
to my French subscribers.
See you next year.
Next year.
So random.
I know. We've had a long day.
Yeah. Please explain.
I don't know how I don't have muscles, big giant muscles, because I carry this giant suitcase around the world, and
So heavy.
I had to carry that thing around all day today, and I was, you'll see in the vlog. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna peace out of this mukbang and catch you in the next one.
Um,